pre-evaluator. And I think an advantage of working in partnerships is that you can generate more ideas.
This is my sketch of my physical prototype that I made. And instead of making two types of a solar panel and a windmill, it's going to be kind of connected into a solar windmill. And this is my Tinkercad prototype. It comes with a vessel that collects plastic from the sea, like the one that I believe is called Waste Shark, and that's how and that's where the 3D printers will get all of their resources.
What I made, I call it the Cleaner Teeth 2000, is by me, and I'm part of the 4C Invention Society. I chose this idea to help me and other people clean their teeth or brush them whenever they want. If you forget to brush your teeth, you can carry the Cleaner Tooth housing around in its carrier. I want to make sure everybody has healthy teeth, and I want to make sure that everybody has clean teeth so their mom won't yell at them. So my sketch is basically, it's like the flossers that I have at my home. It has a holder and then it goes out, but on the top you can add flossing or bristles in to brush your teeth. So my first model is on Tinkercad. It was very hard to get it in the exact shape. And then my final design was still on Tinkercad because I don't have enough resources to make all this. So it has a carrier, which is the big orange thing. And then I changed some of the colors around. And that's basically it.